Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have an oil pastel painting based on inspiration from one of my favorite art books, showing you right there, Painting Nature with Claire Trees Gray. I follow her on Instagram. I highly recommend that you do too, and you check out this book and purchase it for yourself. The book she is based on gouache painting, so I've taken that since gouache and oil pastels kind of have that similar look to me. Oil pastels are kind of the oily version of gouache with that nice opacity. I thought I'm going to try one of hers with the oil pastels. So the thing with oil pastels is that, of course, you can't get the super fine lines and things. So that's kind of the only limitation that I really see with them, other than the fact that they never dry and you have to hang them behind glass, which is fine. Yeah, I mean, just like there aren't a lot of limitations with oil pastels, but the stick size is what it is, and you can file it down, but that takes more time than I think I'm willing to do. So I always try to choose things that I can do with a that's not super detailed. And so I thought this bird's nest with these colors, I really liked them. I like her color palette choices are always very beautiful, and these sort of teals and blues and browns and whitish creamish look we've got going on here. I'm on some Strathmore Tone Tan paper, or no, I'm on my Tone Gray paper, and yeah, I like how this turned out. I'm just sort of layering and layering with this nest. I will have links below there so you can check that out. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you want to see more oil pastel painting videos. But yeah, I like how this turned out. I did end up drawing, there's a bird on her picture, and I ended up drawing that in another one, but it was a lot of fun. Please check out that book. I think I may have a flip through on my channel of that book, so you can also check that out as well. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me today. Have a great day.